Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eunice Imo. Thank you so much guys for joining me on this one. If you're new in my space in this channel, welcome. I am a human being based in Lagos State, Nigeria, the noisiest state in the world. Saturday was skin day for me. Yeah, although I'm not really at that place where I want my skin to be, you get me? So I shaved my face yesterday. If you've not seen that video, or if what I'm saying is really strange to you, or you're really surprised why, or maybe you're wondering I made a mistake in saying I shaved my face, I'm going to link that video here so you can go watch it after this video. Please dear, please. Today I decided to wear a clay mask instead of wearing sheet mask, this sheet mask. Since I have a lot of time, I decided to wear a clay mask, and I just wanted to show you guys how I wear the mask. Any day I shave my face, I usually do not go in with anything else. I just like to play safe. I don't go in with anything else. I don't do any skincare routine. I give it 24 hours. The clay mask I'll be using is this Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay. So I've been using this for some time. As you can see, it's no longer full. Oh my god, that's a mess. Anyway, I'll clean it up later. I've been using this for some time now, and I like it. It's not something I use every day. Something I use maybe once in depends on how lazy I am or I can get. Sometimes I use it once in a month. Sometimes I use it twice in a month. It just depends on how my mood play. You know, I'm just going to read this through for you guys in case you guys would like to do this. So this is feel your face pulsate. Feel your face pulsate. Facials, acne, body wraps, clay baths, foot soaks, chilled clay for nail packs, and incense bites. Wow, I have a lot of that. I have a lot of incense bites. I think I'm going to use this on my body. I just go straight to the point and just do this. I never really go through any of this. So enjoy the benefits of clay in your own home. Beautify and refresh. Direction: mix clay with equal parts of raw apple cider vinegar or water. And water, you can also add water to it. I use apple cider vinegar. I don't use water because I have oily skin, and this dries a lot. This dries the face. So I have oily skin, and I like to use this with apple cider vinegar. I don't have the regular apple cider vinegar that we have. I think I ran out on that one, so I'll be using this one. But any apple cider vinegar you use, you have to use with mother. You have to use the one with mother. So if you check under, you will see that it has settled in. Yeah, so before I use this, I have to shake properly. Shake properly. This let's look okay. Shake properly. Yeah, see? All clay. So sometimes I drink this with, I just add this, it's 1 tablespoon of this to a glass of water. 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons to a glass of water. It does not taste like a regular juice. It does not taste nice at all. It smells awful. It doesn't taste nice. So sometimes I ingest that. Sometimes. So anyway, let's just get straight into this. Mix clay with equal parts of raw apple cider vinegar or water and water. Use a non-metal bowl and utensils. Non-metal bowl and utensils. Stir the mixture well to a smooth paste. Add more clay or liquid as needed. Let it dry for 5-10 minutes for delicate skin and 15 to 20 minutes for normal skin. You will feel a pulling and tightening sensation. Remove clay by washing with warm water. Slight redness of the skin is normal and will disappear in about 30 minutes. This removes impurities and dirt from the pores. To measure one spoon of this, I'll put it in a plastic. I'll put it in a plastic plate. In this plastic plate, remember you should not be using anything metal, nothing metal at all for this, because it has a kind of reaction. So you shouldn't be using anything metal for this at all. So this is one tablespoon. Put it here. This should go around my face, of course. For portion control, I'm going to be using this for this. It smells so bad. I tell you, it doesn't smell nice. So the action I told you about, if you can see that. So you just mix. So obviously I have to add, well, I don't have to, but this is thick. This is thick. I think I have to add a little more. Yeah, I have to add a little more apple cider. I always try to finish mine. And in case you do a lot of it, like the measurement fucks you up and you just do a lot of it, you can always keep them. You can always keep it in the fridge. Please, this is it. Please do not use metal utensils for this mixture. Please don't forget. Now time to go into the face painting. So first of all, I have to take my hair off my face. Oh, I washed my face before coming in here, so my face is properly clean. Somebody's crying, somebody's crying, I need you love today. I need you right away. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody feels like what is left. This is what is left, and I'll be using this leftover, not full anti. I'll be using this for my body. I have lots of insect bites and I really don't know what is going on. So I'm going to use this for all those affected areas. So guys, I'm going to wear this for like 15 to 20 minutes, or it depends on the humidity. I'm going to wear this till it is really dry. I'm going to wear this till it is dry. Then I'll get back to you guys so you can see what it looks like after it is dried. Then I'll go take a shower. I don't really like washing only my face. It makes a mess. So I'll just take a shower. So guys, I'm back after some time and I look so funny. This is my first time actually doing this, like with the camera on my face. I usually just do this with my mirror and I go to take my bath, and that's why I like to do this in the morning or at night, you know. So I just take my bath afterwards. So I feel so tight, like my face feels tight. This will definitely dry out your face. If you have a dry face, I advise you do this with water, not ACV, so that the concentration can be minimal. So I advise you do this with water, or you dilute your ACV with water. I have an oily face, that's why I'm going in directly. That's why I went in directly with my mic is okay. That's why I went in directly with ACV, you know, without diluting. So thanks guys for watching this with me. I might come in here to show you what I look like after washing, and I might not. I might just insert some pictures, slides, you know, because I'm running out of space. Thank you so much for watching this with me. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you try it out. If you try it out, do comment in the if you tried it out, please drop a comment for me in the comment section, and we're just going to engage and talk about it. Let me know some of your skincare routines too. Who knows, I might be jumping into that next time. I feel so funny. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and share. Bye. How I feel, right? So this is my skin after wash and after rinse. After wash, after rinse. This is my skin after wash. Yeah, I feel so good. It feels so smooth, so clear. Look at that. Guys, if you try that, just let me know in the comment section and tell me how your skin felt afterwards, okay?
Oh yeah, got soap for me, yeah. I want the money. Spray me money. Give me money.